Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis, price predictions, and news updates on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Solana and picking up where we left off in the previous Solana video. Now, as we have a lot of cryptocurrencies currently pumping, we're still trading sideways a significant amount with Solana still, but it is nice to see a green candlestick at this moment. As far as things are currently lining up, we have Solana up about 3.4% over these last 24 hours. Still down though over this the last 7 days. So Solana has been seeing this decline that has been going on here, and it's also been underneath this 20-day moving average, which right now though, luckily it is making that attempt to try to get over that. But just so much consolidation. You don't really see this much low volatility with the cryptocurrency. And this is a lot of that fear that a lot of people have with Solana right now, is that possibility that Solana could be coming down one more leg down from where it was at within its 52-week low. If we were to look at how things have currently been playing out here, we have been seeing the price Solana just continuously dropping. Of course, the whole FTX fallout was really bad for Solana. We had seen Solana just before the whole FTX situation was taking place. It was making an attempt to get over that 100-day moving average. That was great. I mean, Solana was at a price that was above $36, between $36 and to even like $37 just before it just came down crashing. Within these 5 waves, saw Solana go to its 52-week low that was at a price of $10.93. And then now what we're seeing is that as the price is pumped up a little bit, it's just been trading sideways since then underneath this 20-day moving average. This has been one of the large areas of resistance that we've been struggling with, of seeing a recovery with Solana. I mean, we did get a decent sized price move though from that 5th wave from the FTX fallout. If we were to look at where the price currently is from that price, it's still up about 27%. So it was a decent price pump to the upside, but that was just due to the fact that the price Solana had come down so low. And even where the price is right now, where it's sitting, it's still not out of the danger zone, because it still is not above where it was within, say, the wave 4 from this whole fallout. So we could still possibly even be within a wave 4 with one more leg down. And where I'm looking at one more leg down is the signal first would be within this box here. If we were to just fall within this, that means that there's still more to come down here. And then as we look at the retracement here within the price of Solana, if we were to just line up our current Fibonacci retracement from the wave 1 to the wave 5 from just the FTX fallout, and where this could be taking us, just to line this up to where our wave 4 is sitting right now, we could be coming down somewhere, I'd say around the price of possibly $8.50. And that would be if we were to come down one more Fibonacci level lower. Even though that if we look at where the wave 3 and the wave 5 are sitting, that does line up good enough to say that that could be that confirmation that we need that we did complete a wave 5. But we don't want to rule out any sort of certainty yet, and we don't want to rule out that possibility at this moment that it will not come down. So we want to keep that possibility that it could still come down. So where I'm at with it, I'm still within this accumulation phase, but not trying to lose my hat, because I'm thinking if it did bottom, then there's a potential here to gain. But at the same time, if it did not bottom, it can come down even lower. And also there's that fear with the altcoins, especially ones like Solana. If we're going to go into the next bull market that could come in 2023 or 2024, how many of these altcoins that have been hit really hard, how many of these are going to be able to continue and go into, say, where they were within their all-time highs? Now, I think that Solana still has plenty of use cases, though. So as it might not have that possibility anytime here in the future, within the next 2 years, even to possibly go back to its all-time highs. It has a lot to rebuild here, but I think that there's still plenty there to gain, in my opinion. I think that there are still use cases with Solana. Just there's a lot of fear with DeFi. A lot of trust has been lost with crypto due to the whole FTX situation. So this is just that situation that crypto is in right now, and people have to pick and choose which ones they trust more than others. And so, as far as things go with Solana, even if I was to look at Solana right now and look at where the price is, and knowing that, of course, the DeFi is in an issue, I still think that the use cases that Solana has, there's a possibility still get some pretty good gains here, in my opinion. And as far as seeing a recovery from at least 50% from the whole FTX fallout, if we were to see that happen here, say within these next 3, 4, 5 weeks, say possibly by the beginning of January to the end of January, then that could still be a decent sized price movement to even see it retrace 50% from the FTX fallout. And that would be taking the price of Solana from where it's at right now, and just looking at that price move to go up into this 50% Fibonacci level. And I'm thinking that that price can go somewhere between a 70% and even a possible 90% gain to do such a thing, to see where Solana go from now to there. And that would be at a price that's around $25 if it was able to do that, between $24 and $26 to be more realistic. But that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that here in the short term, we might be able to see something like that, especially with what's going on with crypto at the moment. And then in the long run, of course, no certainty as far as seeing Solana go back to its all-time highs, which there's a lot to retrace from there. Where Solana was at a price of around $263 back in November of 2021. So a lot of possibilities there, but to even see it retrace into one of these Fibonacci levels above from where it's at right now, say to a price of $64, I mean, there's a lot of potential here to even see some sort of gain. So if we were to look at where Solana is now to where it was back this time back in 2021, March of 2021, we had a very similar price as we do now, and then we eventually got into a big rally. So who knows where 2023 can take us, but cross my fingers that even if we were to see a slight move to the upside, it can be a decent one in my opinion. So anyways, I know there's a lot of rambling in this video. I hope that you guys were able to get some sort of use case out of it. I'm hoping that we will start to see Solana start breaking through some of these different moving averages. That 50-day moving average sitting at a price that's around $18.20. 100-day moving average is at that 50% Fibonacci level. And that's at a price of around $24.50. So a lot of possibilities there. And we haven't been above that 100-day moving average with Solana since back in April of 2022. So a lot of potential. Anyways, with that being said, I talk about a lot of different cryptocurrencies on this channel. If you guys are not subscribed, I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.